Hello folks, welcome to my channel again. I'm going to show you the other way of making a vegetable stock. Let's get into it. Got a pot, I'm going to put it on the stove. I'm going to turn the stove to about a little past medium, about 5. I've set it on 5. We're going to add 10 to 12 cups of water. We're going to cover the stock pot with lead to bring it to a quick boil. As soon as it boils, we're going to just start adding the vegetables. We slice the onions first and add. I missed the video for the onions, but it's you should see the onions in there as soon as it starts boiling. There you go. We have the onions in. We're going to slice the leek stem and add. You can slice it into 1/2-inch slices. We're going to do the same for the carrot stick. We're going to actually crush the garlic cloves and add. You also have the option to slice through it or cut it into small pieces or slices before adding. We're gonna slice the ginger stick into small slices and add. After adding all the vegetables, we're just gonna add 2 bay leaves. After adding all the vegetables, you can go ahead and reduce the heat to simmer for about 30 minutes. There you go. That's the peppercorns. We crushed it. We're now adding it. Sprigs of mint. And then you want to make sure everything is properly immersed in the water. We're gonna add some sage. And then we're going to reduce the heat to simmer for about 30 minutes. You can fully cover it or just partially cover it. It's 30 minutes. And so we're just going to remove the vegetables and then strain the stock, through a strainer and with the help of a cheesecloth. Just removing the vegetables now. We're going to we're going to transfer the stock through the cheesecloth, on top of the strainer. We're going to repeat the same process for the entire stock. And then after that, just add the residual stock from the vegetables we collected. That's the residual stock. And this pretty much marks the end of the preparation. Alright guys, comment down below if you have any questions or concerns, and I'll address them. Also feel free to share these videos and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Thank you very much and see you soon. Ciao, ciao.